Fox News Alert, new information now on the fate of the International Space Station. NASA just announcing astronauts may need to evacuate the space outpost in the next few weeks. Trace Gallagher following the latest developments live from our breaking news desk. Trace?
So imagine, Megan, for the first time ever, the International Space Station could be unmanned. There's nobody up there to run the thing. Now, remember, we don't have a way to shuttle astronauts back and forth anymore because the shuttle program is over. So we have to rely solely on the Russians and their Soyuz rocket. But last week, the Soyuz, a cargo rocket, which is the same type used to shuttle astronauts up, it launched, it failed, it fell out of the sky. We have some pictures of that launch. This thing, by the way, is exactly what they used to send astronauts up. They were supposed to send astronauts up next month. They're not about to put human beings on board that rocket until they figure out exactly what went wrong. So next month's launch could be delayed into November. There are currently 6 astronauts on board the space station, 2 from the United States, 2 from Japan, 2 from Russia. 3 of them, including an American, were supposed to come home next week. That's now been delayed, but they do want to bring 3 of them home before the end of September. That leaves 3 more, and they may have to come back by November, not because of shortage of food and water, but because they want to land in Kazakhstan before the dead of winter because it's more dangerous. Listen now to NASA trying to allay some fears.
But don't get hung up on the dates. The important part there is we'll have a couple of flights, unmanned flights, before we put humans on board a Soyuz. At least that's the kind of plan that we're looking at today. And again, our Russian colleagues have a lot of work in front of them to sort this all out, but that's kind of the thought process that's going on today.